Hi, welcome to the tutorial video of CDLU Library. In this video, I am going to show you what all are the services CDLU Library is offering you via its eLibrary platform. The CDLU eLibrary sits at cdlu.refread.com. Please note, do not include www in the URL. cdlu.refread.com is to access the platform. You need to have a login credentials. We recommend you to log in even inside the campus, but from outside the campus it is mandatory. In case you do not have your login details, we recommend you to write an email to librariancdlu@gmail.com along with your full name, your enrollment number or employee ID, your email address, your mobile number, or your department. With all these details, when you send out an email to librarian, we will be able to register you on the platform and will send you the login credentials in next 24 hours. Now let's go to the platform and see how it works. So on the browser, on Google, just type in cdlu.refread.com and the platform will open in front of you. The first thing you will do here is click on the login button, and as I told you earlier, you already have your login credentials. Just type in your username and your password to access the platform. In case you do not have your login credentials, you can always write to us at support@refread.com, and once you log in on the platform, you have full access to this eLibrary platform of CDLU. Now let's see what are all are the services available and how you can access those. Just click on the eResource button, and here you will see that you can browse the content by discipline, by subject areas. So example, if I am a student of mathematics and I want to see some content related to mathematics, I'll just click on this button, and all the ebooks, all the journals, all the thesis, video lectures, anything which this platforms offers is available here. So more than 45,000 content is available in thesis, videos, journals, ebooks, and you can access any of these content from entire globe. There is no limitation in the IP or anything. Once you log in, you have the entire access. The next very important thing is by publisher. So these all are subscribed by CDLU University, and click on any of them and you have full text access. So this is very good content which is subscribed by the university, and whether you are at your home, you can access any of the ebook which is available in this platform. So this is the experience of EBSCO, and as you can see that I'll be able to access the entire content of this particular book. Other than publishers, you can also browse the content by different other publishers, like let's say another example of EPW. So EPW is a standalone magazine and which most of us read. So just click on the read button, and as simple as EBSCO, you have the entire access of this publication, and so on. From these list of publisher, there are two exceptions. One is Pearson ebook. For Pearson ebooks, you need to log in further. So once you click on any of the Pearson ebook, you will receive a login credential on the platform itself, and you have to log in on. The another one is Wiley journals. Wiley journals are only subscribed for 2020. So any article which published either after 2020 or before 2020 is not accessible on the platform. So you need to remember this. Other than publishers, you can also browse the content by format and by collection. So the very important thing which this platform offers is the question papers, the previous year question papers of CDLU. So let's say if you are a student of MA history and you wanted to access some of the previous year question paper, just click on this section and you will see all the question paper that the university has uploaded here is available. Just click on the read button, and you have entire access of this paper. So there is no other place that you need to go. We are still building this collection with the library, the help of library, and we will keep adding on here the more question papers and other content which is from the university. Now let's just see what all content is available on this platform using this all content button. And as you can see that there are more than 6 lakh total content is available. These are some of the subscribed content and the ebooks, journals, and things like that. So you can see, you can filter these content by these using these filters. So departments, year, language, access type, subscribed or open access, media types, authors, and publishers. So using these filters you can narrow down your content and you can see how you can access the platform. From by collection, yeah, all the content which listed here is also mentioned here in this from the all content button. This is a separately, and we also have integrated the print collection, which is the print books which are available in the library, to this platform. Obviously you cannot read this content, but you can always check the availability of these books. To access the content, there is another section called Explore More. In this section, you can access expert talks, let's say published in TED Talks. There are other content like leisure reading, and other important links are also available. So anytime when you think that you do not want to access the platform for your academic needs, you can always come here for your leisure reading kind of activities or anything, any motivational content that you wanted to access. You can also access the news clippings curated by the library. So as you can see, news clips by the library and news by publications. So we have a tie-up with 50 plus odd publications through which you can see their top headlines of the day. So CNN, Engadget, TechCrunch, and you can click this bell icon available on all the publications to get the latest update from these publications. The feature of the platform that you can restrict your search queries. So for an example, if you wanted to search ebook and let's say in title, you have these options. So just let's say I wanted to search MATLAB, a title, and all the content which is available on the platform related to MATLAB, the ebooks are in front of me. So there are 21 ebooks, some of the open access and the other are the subscribed ebooks, and you can see the content listed here. So this was the book I was looking for, and all I need to do is just filter down my content and just click on this particular book. The one which is very important thing, and it is important for faculty and our researchers, that you can also search the research articles published in different platforms. So I'm just searching this nanotechnology under this article level, and as you can see that I'll be receiving these results from different platforms. Let me inform you that this is a real-time search. So if any article published in Taylor and Francis, let's say 5 minutes back, we will be able to show that result here. So all the subscribe platforms you can see here. So just click on this add result button once the searching is done, and you can see the content which is coming from. So EPW, JSTOR, Springer, Project Muse, and so on. You do not need to go independently on these platforms. All you can do is just search the from this eLibrary platform, and this will be able to show the content coming from different platforms. So let me just restrict my search result to Taylor and Francis, and any of the article which is currently in front of you, you just click on the read button as we were doing in the catalog section, and you have the entire access. Either you are searching a research article, you are searching an ebook, you are searching an ebook, journal, or anything, you can have the full text access irrespective of the place from where you are accessing it. So this is how you can use it and the filters. Let's move to some of the personalized feature which a user has, and for which initially I told you that a login is required. So for an example, you are reading this book and you wanted to add this in your reading list, so you don't need to search again and again. You just go to your reading list and you will be able to access it. So I'm creating a folder for to adding this particular book. You can create as many folders as you can, and you can add as many content as you can in any particular folder. So I've added this book, and I'm adding this another book into this folder, and you can see this particular folder available under your name. So this is the reading list, and here all the folder that you have created. And if I go to the folder which I have recently created, and these are the two books available here. This will remains here till the time you delete it. So if you can create your own reading list here in this section. You can also add these any of the content in your my favorite section, and that will also show on the home page. You can export the citation in APA, MLA, and Chicago. You can email these documents to your peers. Make sure they should be also a part of the CDLU library. And these all are the features a user has to access. So other than that, on the home page, you can see your all the past readings. You can see your favorites. So as I told you in the reading list section, that you can add all the content, your favorite publications, your favorite ebooks, or anything on this section, and that will shows on your home page. So you don't need to search or browse the content. It will always show in front of you. There is a staff pick section. The video tutorial is here in this section. So if you need any support and you need any assistance, you can always check this video. And there is a trending section. There is news and notice board section. So any new notices a library is floating to is available here. Then featured collection and the top users. So Niru Ahuja is the top user currently, because CDLU demo is our demo account, the test account, and the mobile apps. So everything from the starting to the end, whatever I showed you, whatever I've spoken about, is available through the mobile apps also. So we highly recommend you that please go to your app stores, either you are using iOS or the Android. Go to app stores and search for CDLU Library. You will find this app, and you can access the content whenever you want on any device of your choice. And in case you feel that there is any help we can do for you, there is any assistance required, please reach out to us on these email address and the mobile number. This is all about more or less about the platform. We request all the users to check the platform and let us know what are your thoughts, and the team is always available for you to assist. Thank you.